Have you been trying to figure your natural hair out? You've used everything, but you can't still figure your natural hair out. It's tired you get tired of it, it's too kinky and you cannot do it. This video is good for you. Hi everyone, welcome back to my video. My name is QueenJidnatural. In today's video, I'm here to share with you guys how I use water to moisturize my son hair. Only water, no oil, nothing, just water, because water can moisturize our hair. First thing we have to add in our hair is water. If you are putting oil, you are using cream, shea butter, oil, almond oil, any kind of oil on your hair, make sure you put water at the first step. Water is important when it comes to natural hair. That's why I want to show you guys how I use water to figure my son natural hair out. I posted this video on YouTube because a lot of people are suffering to figure out of their hair out. Some people don't even know how to do it. If they keep doing it, they don't get it, they will end up to go and barb their natural hair. And it's very easy to do if you can follow this step one by one as I'm doing it. So if you have any kind of natural egg texture or like my son egg texture, then I wish you watch this video till end. Guys, can you see how curly his hair was? So deep, coily hair. Everything is matted together, but I will figure it out in just a moment. Guys, if you found any knot in your head while you are doing your natural hair, make sure you take your time to separate the knot one by one. Doing so will keep your natural hair safe and also to help you reduce a lot of shedded hair at the end of your detangling processing. Now we have done detangling his hair. It's time to wash his hair. Alright family, I'm done washing his hair. So the next thing I want to do now is to moisturize his hair with oil and shea butter. Then after, I will blow dry his hair. that is the end of this video. If this video is helpful and useful to you, please don't forget to give us thumbs up and also to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I wish you all good luck and see you in the next video. Bye bye.